Yo.
It's Red.
I'm your mom.
No, that's Sarah.
Fine.
We have some toys to review.
And McDonald's.
Yeah.
We don't actually have food, sadly.
Okay, so Sarah's going first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'll do the ring first. So this right here, we've got a little blue ring. And, probably lights up.
It does, but you need to get it out of the package.
Oh, yeah. Ow. That hurt.
It has a button underneath the ring part, like the...
Oh, yee.
Not the ring part, but you know.
And it's kind of squishy. Oh, here it is. Whoop, whoop, party finger, whoop, whoop, party finger, whoop, whoop.
All right. So, here's this little sticky hand. We need something to test it out on, so Sarah got my homework folder. Ah!
It works just well on your hands.
I know.
There we go.
There
Look at that. Can I feel
Yeah.
it? Anywho, this is a, no clue.
A little giraffe.
Mabs the giraffe, birthday, July 28th. I can see skies of blue or a little field mouse. After all, I have the best seat in the house. Yeah, 'cause giraffes' necks are long. That doesn't look like a long neck. Oh,
Giraffe army.
Mab's brethren has come.
Yeah. This guy's like, look at me. I'm back here. All right.
All right, so we have mommy giraffe, daddy giraffe, and baby giraffes.
Giraffes.
We're reviewing the ring. If you made it this far, put in the comment section #yourmom.com
To get a shout out.
to get a shout out.
Because you are awesome, so this is another ring. Woo!
Yeah, it's a party.
So,
Oh, seizure warning.
this is a pretty good ring.
Favorites, it's favorites picking time. Woo!
All right.
All right, we've got our 4 items right here. Red, you go first.
All right.
What's your favorite?
My favorite... That's hard because I like Mabs a lot.
Yeah,
It's very cute.
Mabs is pretty cool.
Yeah, I think I'm going to go with Mabs.
I don't know what I'm gonna go with. I also think Mabs is pretty cool, and I like stuffed animals, and I like his little hair floof on top. But I also think the hand's pretty cool. I just like the hand. I'm going to point to my favorite with the sticky hand.
Mabs, yeah.
Yeah, Mabs is awesome. I think that about wraps it up.
Yeah. Bye.
Peace out!